Welcome to everyone in our YouTube channel Master Plan Education. So today we discuss some important fact, that is the related new laws. So without wasting our time, we start this video. On screen you also see India replacing its colonial era criminal laws with 3 new acts effective July 1, 2024. 1 2024, the भारतीय न्याय संहिता VNS replacing the IPC, भारतीय नागरिक सुरक्षा संहिता VNSS replacing CRPC, and भारतीय साक्ष्य अधिनियम VSA replacing the Evidence Act. These laws prioritize justice over punishment, introducing digital evidence and focus on speed trials. Next, if we talk about the key features of the new criminal laws, before we see Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita VNS 2023 replaced the Indian Penal Code 1860. It reduced the total sections to 358, focuses on crime against women, children, and introduced community service for petty offence. Second, Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita BNSS 2023 replaces the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. It introduced mandatory forensic for crimes with 7 years punishment, 0 FIRs, and digital evidence handling. Next, if we talk next point, Bharatiya Saakshya Adhiniyam BSA 2023 replaced the Indian Evidence Act 1872. It modernized the law to include electronic digital record as primary evidence and emphasize forensic examinations. Major change, if we talk about the major change and additions, terrorism definitions define terrorism clearly, aiming to protect nation's sovereignty. Mob lynchings punishable by life imprisonment or death. Next, organized crime, specified provisions added for organized crimes and petty organized crimes. Victim centric, focused on speedy trials, including a 45 days deadline for filing charge sheets and 30 days for victims to be informed or investigations progress. Decriminalizations attempt to decriminalize suicides by focusing on rehabilitations rather than punishment. Technology integrations, compulsory videography for search and seizures, and online FIR. So these are the important facts, but in all we must remember 3 new criminal laws: Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita BNSS, which is replacing in 1860, and Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita BNSS, which is replacing CRPC. Okay, and third, BSA Bharatiya Saakshya Adhiniyam, which is replacing Indian Evidence Act 1872. Okay, so we must remember this point: BNSS replacing Indian Penal Code 1860, and BNSS replacing CRPC 1973, and BSA replacing Indian Evidence Act 1872. So this is the important topic. I hope this video must be helpful for you. So thank for watching this video.